Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we're gonna do this very easy stitch, one row repeat. I think it's great for a blanket, for a hat, for a scarf. The stitch is reversible. I'm gonna show you the sample after I do the tutorial. I'm gonna use 4.0mm crochet hook. This stitch works with multiples of 4 plus 2 more chains. So I have here 16 multiples of 4 and I'm gonna chain 2 more. Okay, we're gonna skip the first chain and into the next chain, the second one, we're gonna do a single crochet, and this row is gonna be single crochet in each chain. So I'm gonna move to the next chain, single crochet, next chain, single crochet, and so on. In each chain, single crochet. You can use this stitch with any yarn size, but if you are to use, let's say, the crochet hook that I'm using now, 4.0, you're gonna see how thick this is, because the sample that I'm gonna show you, I did with a very thin yarn, 2.5mm crochet hook, and even with that, the stitch is quite thick. So if you want for a warm, nice winter blanket, you can use 4.0, 4.5mm crochet hook and the yarn that you would like to use. It's quite nice. So we did a single crochet in each chain. We're gonna chain 2. You can chain 3 if you want. Into the first stitch from where this chain is coming, we're gonna put in there 3 double crochets. Yeah, so 1, 2, and the third one. Yeah, okay, now we're gonna move to we're gonna skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and into the fourth stitch we're gonna do a single crochet, chain 2, and in the same stitch where we did that single crochet, we're gonna put 3 double crochets. So go back into the same stitch, and we're gonna do the first double crochet, then the second, and the third one. And again, we're gonna skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and into the fourth stitch, single crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet into the same stitch. So this stitch has 1 row repeat. You're gonna do this on and on and on until you finish your project. Skip the next 3 stitches, and into the fourth we repeat single crochet first, chain 2, and 3 double crochets into the same stitch. And you're gonna be left with 4 stitches. So we're gonna skip the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and into the fourth, the last one. In that one we're gonna do just 1 single crochet. That's it, just 1 single crochet. Chain 2, turn your work, and we're gonna repeat. It's gonna look like this. So into the first stitch here we're gonna put in there 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and the third double crochet. Now we're gonna skip the next 3 stitches, which are the double crochets from the previous row, so 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna skip that 2 chain, and we're gonna repeat this into the single crochet from the previous row. So you skip the 3 double crochets, the chain 2, and the single crochet is right here. Okay. So we're gonna repeat in there. We're gonna do a single crochet first, chain 2, and into the same stitch we're gonna put in there 3 double crochets, 2 and a third, and we're going to repeat like this. So now we're going to skip the 3 double crochet, the chain 2, and we have the single crochet tucked in between. Yeah, it's right there. So we're going to do a single crochet first, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets. So this is the stitch. This is what you're going to do until you finish your project, whatever you choose to do with this stitch. Yeah. So again, skip the 3 double crochet, the chain 2, and the single crochet is right here. And 3 more double crochets into that stitch. And at the end, you're going to finish with a single crochet. So we're going to skip at the end here, we're going to skip the 3 double crochets, and we're going to go into the last, let's say, the chain, when we chain 2 and we turn the work, and we put the 3 double crochets in there. So you're going to do at the end there a single crochet, you're going to chain 2. So the single crochet, you're going to do it in the second chain. If you want to chain 3, you chain 3. So in that case, you're going to put a single crochet into the third chain, the top one. Yeah? Turn your work, and then you're going to repeat. And when you have this like that, you see, there's like cups, like openings. Yeah? So you're going to start again into the first stitch, 3 double crochets. I'm going to do this row, and then I'm going to stop. It's a very easy stitch, goes really fast, but well, this one is going to eat some yarn. So you skip the 3 double crochet, the chain 2, and the single crochet, it's right here. Single crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets. And you can use, like I said, you can use different yarn sizes. So skip and go to the single crochet. From the previous row, do a single crochet, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets into the same stitch. It can't get any easier than this. And this stitch is called the crazy stitch. I saw this stitch and on the YouTube channel, and I think the name of the YouTube channel is Just Vintage Crochet. So if you are interested in old stitches like early 1900s, you can visit her YouTube channel, Just Vintage Crochet. Maybe some of you like some stitches. So at the end here, you're going to skip the 3 double crochets, and you're going to go on top of the second chain, or the third if you choose to put 3 chains. Single crochet, chain 2, and then you're going to turn your work, and you're going to repeat. And you see this, they're like cups, openings. Yeah. I'm going to show you the sample. So I did this sample with 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, just to give you an idea how this will look with a thinner yarn, and it's already kind of thick. Yeah. So it looks like this. So the stitch is reversible, front and back is the same. The sides are quite nice, yeah, straight, both sides. Yeah. So if you like to use this stitch for something, you see it has those openings, but you can barely see it. It's not like they're going to stay always like this open. It's just a little indentation, a little bit. So if you like this this stitch, give it a try. For you guys, the beginners, or you, even if you're advanced, you want something easy and fast, you can use this stitch. So the difference, you can see how it's with a 4.0 millimeter crochet hook and with a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. So if you like to give a try to this stitch, you're very welcome. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.